Fire. Fire. Good afternoon, everybody. It is Fitz Miller and the Miata back here with another video. If you guys have not seen yesterday's video, I literally washed both of these cars off. I think we got a couple more weeks of pollen and we will not have to deal with that anymore. I got my headphones, and if you haven't picked up on what's going on yet today by the title or anything, we are headed to Kazan's to fabricate a hood dump. He has a turbo manifold. We'll probably pop a plate on there, cut a hole in that plate, and then out the hood we go. I'll be able to explain all this a little bit more when we get there. Of course, it's like an hour and 40 minutes, not bad. I got the AAA card, I got gas, and we are ready to go, boys. I'll see you there. Alright boys, we made it. Popped my shirt back on because no longer in the Miata. Don't need a tan. We got the Kaz wagon. We got a turbo Miata over there. And Logan texted me this morning. He said, hey man, I got some turbo parts if you want them. So I'll see if how much he wants for those, or if he will just give them to me, or whatever's going on. Because I'm about to have a manifold, and that's what he said he didn't have. A couple oil lines and we're good to go. But we're gonna get ready to hood dump this thing. So diving in, taking the heat shield off. None of the bolts have snapped so far. You know, we got two more. Shouldn't speak on it too early. So we have run into one stripped bolt, second tiny, it's like a 9.5, or it's stripped. We're cutting it out. So basically I had to chop off the dust shield because it was really rusty and there's a couple stripped ones. All of these are coming out as studs. And here, they're coming out like this. They're coming out like this. And the nut is supposed to just come off. So we'll figure that part when it's going back in. For now, the objective is to get it off. It's going surprisingly well. Kazan, what do you think?
Other than them coming out of studs.
Yeah, but they'll go back in as studs, right?
Yeah.
So this thing is officially, one, cold enough to touch, and two, all of the bolts are out. There's a little like recirc valve or line or something. You said it goes to the intake on that side? I haven't looked.
It goes to the intake because it goes to here. I don't know where that goes.
It's somewhere. It's probably EGR or vacuum or something. I don't know. It's like a hard line to, but anyways, it's almost off. So, all right, we should be able to pull the manifold out now. It's so fucking close. I lied, the O2 sensor's in the way, and we'll probably have to chop like a little bit farther closer to the motor than it already is. We're saws on. Yeah, you're good, you're good. Okay, we're saws on right above the O2. That is the only thing keeping this manifold from coming out right now. Also, I don't know if I told you guys, but we're cutting and flipping this. We are extremely close. Hey yo.
Go.
Who made metal this tough, bro, and why'd you do it?
I did the same thing.
Of course, right as I stopped recording, Lil John is out. Oh, dude, that was right on my toe. God damn, that was literally right on my toe. All right, you said exhaust specialist Ben is coming to help us flip this, John. The hardest part is done.
Yeah.
The rest is fairly simple. I remember maybe like 30 seconds ago, I was staring at a bolt and I was like, dude, am I regretting doing this right now? Kind of. But when it's dumped out the hood, I'll feel better, so.
Are you cutting a hole in the hood?
Oh yeah. You got a hole saw? Or a sawzall?
Yeah.
We good, bro. Alright. A little warm,
Now your car's all flaky. I can blow it off.
Dude, you got flaky paint now.
Flaky primer.
Flaky primer. All right,
So that was step one, was getting those hangers off. I thought that was gonna be a lot harder, but now we're heading over to Ben's house because that's where this thing is getting welded up. But we gotta chop right around these, literally flip it, or flip it, I don't know. We'll figure it out, and then re-weld it.
Flip it.
Just flip it.
Okay, yeah, flip it that way.
Cutting the manifold. Good deal. All right.
One.
All right. So I'm not gonna show you guys all four. That's the process. Cut them off, and I will see you guys when it's completely apart.
So close.
There you go. Wait. Just give her a little wiggle.
Ah! Hell yeah.
Wait. We gotta make sure we don't. Oh yeah, like a glove.
Like a glove. That's crazy.
Kinda. Yeah. Enough. It'd be alright.
All right. So before we can weld this back together, Ben is cleaning it up. He just did the manifold. You guys saw that. And then he's gonna do the same thing down here, and that just makes it adhere better to the metal,
Well,
have better
it just gives
weld.
like a good clean surface to weld to.
Yeah, but that's all we're doing right now before we put it back together.
Fire, Ben. Yeah, what?
Hell yeah.
She is back to one piece, now upside down. We're trying to figure out how we want it to go out the hood. This is like ideal. We're just trying to figure out the best way to do this. We're gonna head to Tractor Supply, got a tractor flap, Vance Auto, grab probably another couple pieces of pipe, some adapters and shit, then we'll be back.
Good dump.
Dude, it's working already.
Oh yeah, it is.
We're basically just gonna beat the bottom of this exhaust with a hammer, fold that, maybe fill it, and we'll figure it out. Yo, pie cuts are no longer needed. Alright, hit Ben up for...
Yo, that actually worked so good.
Hit Ben up for one-piece pie cuts,
Dude,
dude.
that shit looks stock.
Yo, give her a shake one more time. We're good, bro. You guys see this? You guys see my new hood dump? Now we only have to stop at Tractor Supply and get a tractor flap. So, good shit, man. We took off the ugly top piece. Yo, you ready to go get a tractor flap? Yeah? Ben, thank you again so much for help fabbing this shit up, dude. Oh my god. We got our child. It's not strapped in this second. Dude, being in this thing, but sitting in the back with the starlit ceiling is so sick. Alright, so we got our tractor flap, Tractor Supply code, that makes sense, right? Kazan literally picked this one out and it went on just fine. So, we're gonna go back home. It's getting dark, so I'm not gonna film too much more. It's just putting it back together. I'll show you guys a little bit of that and then the end result. We got the tractor flap just fitted, just for a second. We had to replace two little studs, two manifold studs, but Kazan had some. Kazan literally had a couple Miata studs. One is threading in super fine, and we got one more to see. We gonna keep it moving. This thing is so close. Airbox, and we good to go. I'll show you guys when we're cutting the hood. What we're doing is we're cutting off this little brace you guys see, and then we'll chop into the actual sheet metal of the hood itself. So. Oh yeah, bud. Oh yeah.
Oh, I can't hear.
I cannot hear it.
No.
Alright. Time to move on to the actual hood. It was.
That's perfect fitment right there.
Dude, just a little bit more right there.
On both
Just a
sides.
Just around the nut.
Oh my god.
Like a glove.
Alright. No, it's catching right here.
Yeah. All right. Everything's tightened down. The hood is cut. You guys just saw that, and we're about to see if it starts. So.
Yeah, I mean, I don't see why I shouldn't.
Jesus Christ. Dude, it is
that was
so
like,
loud.
That was like 1,000.
I know.
Oh my god, dude! Do you guys see it bouncing?
Yeah.
That was so cool, dude. All right. Well, we're about to take it out. You guys are coming with us.
First try, bro. Oh my god.
Alright, we're out here. We're doing some test runs. Kaz, you got the flame, right?
Yeah.
Okay, alright, so you guys saw the freaking flame of this thing shot. I love how it just bounces at idle. It just sits there and bounces. We're getting ready to go through downtown, and then sadly, I will be headed back home. But I'll get Kaz in the film, and pray we don't get arrested. It's so fucking loud.
That's a cop. That right there is like kind of a bad bomb. Yeah, see it? Yeah. Even like just like decel.
Yeah, dude.
This is exactly like downtown Greenville.
Really?
Exactly. Well, boys, we did it. We did it. Big emphasis on we, because there's no way in hell that I could have done that by myself without Kaz, without Ben, and without Preston. So my ears are ringing, dude. My headphones have been charging here at Kazin's, so I will have at least music on the way home. I'm definitely putting the top up and the windows up to try to get some form of noise reduction. Holy shit, dude. We did it. We freaking did it. That's about it. That is about it. This has been Fitz, whole bunch of people, the Miata, back here with another video. And we'll see you guys in the next one.